Hey guys, Jaggist here. This is Jaggist Reviews. Alright, so I wanted to retest the Dolphin LX90. Just a quick test. I did pull my mics back a little bit further. We did seem like maybe there was possibly distortion or something to do with the mics. I have been testing this speaker. I'm not necessarily hearing any distortion from it, so I'm pretty sure it was the mics. But let's go ahead and test this out. Let's go, starting at about 60%. Let's go.
I ran up a check, I might do it again. Enemies close, have me thinking they're friends. 10 toes down, I'll be free until the end. Creep outside the city, I don't feel safe in my hands. Took so many years, I'm just waiting for the wins. I'm in debt to no one but the one who took my sins. I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I'll do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me. Go and back it up. Matter what? Told you I'ma do me. Why you hating on me? It's not adding up. I do roll like a Mack truck. Cut you hard, I might cop a farm and go act up. Lot of scars, I was cold-hearted, now I'm backed up. Keep it real, I do this once a month. I don't rap much. I just take the money and go stack up. Only buying cards and get tatted up. All that other bull, it don't matter much. You only climb me, I put the ladders up. No fault, I done doubled up on the workload. I think I fell in love with the bankroll. Pray up, get money, then we lay low. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up.
Alright, so I'm not really hearing any distortion or anything like that. It's at 100%. It does get a little bit sharp at those highest volumes. The treble does get a little sharp. Still sounds good. It's got good bass. Not a bad speaker. Let's do some top speed, 100% volume still.
Speed it up, speed it up, speed it up, speed it up. Speed it up, 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 speed it up. Go faster, ayy, go faster, ayy, go faster, ayy, go faster, ayy. I wake up, go dumb. I'm pretty God like 9. I'm put that on my son. I'm go like 3, 2, 1. Don't smoke, I need my lungs. I stack and feed my funds. I'ma do this, have fun, ayy. I'm blasting, ayy. Don't matter, ayy.
Alright, definitely no distortion. Let's do something with a little bit more bass. Run it up, NBHD knit.
Tryna run it up. I wake up. Yeah. I wake up. Flex on down now. Check. No drip, yes. Tryna run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Tryna run it up. I wake up. Flex on down now. Check. No drip, yes. Tryna run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Tryna run it up. 9 out of 10 roll through my hands, I'm by my lonely. Turn to a savage, now my baby wants to hold me. I love my fans, don't need no.
Alright guys, I'm going to stop it there. This was just a quick test, retest, make sure everything's sounding good. So yes, I think I just had the mics too close to it in the other video. I'm not getting any distortion. Is it the best sounding speaker you can get for $100? Probably. Once you get up to like the 150, like Tribit Stormbox Blast and stuff, can you get better? For sure, definitely. For that $120 though, it's seeming pretty solid. It's got good bass, good treble. The mids are missing a little bit, a little recessed on those. But yeah, not getting the distortion or anything like that, which is good. I didn't think I was hearing any anyways. I just wanted to double check, put that back out in the air. We're gonna throw it up against a few other speakers today. So look for those videos. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps me out a ton.